Energy Medicine with Donna Eden, Monday, August 2nd in Shell Beach. Learn simple hands-on tools to restore your energy when you are tired, sharpen your memory and mental clarity, strengthen your immune system, increase health and resilience with a 5-minute daily routine.
I'm Donna Eden, and this is wonderful to share this information with you. This is about energy medicine. And energy medicine is the oldest, it's the safest, it's the most organic, and it's the most accessible medicine there is. And when you begin to see medicine or life through the lens of energy, a whole new world opens to you.
Pre-register for this event online at brownpapertickets.com. For discounted tickets and further information on this event, contact us at energiesrising.net. Spend an evening of energy medicine with one of the most joyous and effective pioneers in this rapidly expanding frontier. Monday, August 2nd at Cliffs Resort in Shell Beach.